Hello, Seth.
Hello.
Got some scratch-offs?
Yeah, I'm about to win hella money.
What would be considered hella money?
Any win at all.
$20?
Shit, I spent 15. If I could just win back 5 of it, I'd be happy.
How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Me and Seth are about to head to Level Cross, North Carolina to pick up Fido down at CCI Fabrication. It is finished, and we will be adding another race car back to our stable. So we're going to take you guys with us. This is installment 2 of fixing Fido. Thank you guys for clicking on the video, and appreciate y'all being here. Let's go ahead and hop right into it.
Hell yeah! $5.
Already?
Yeah.
That was the first thing you scratched.
Reveal 3 like prize amounts. Win that prize. If you win, multiply your prize by the multiplier shown. So I got 3 5s. Times 1 is 5. That's all I'm going to win.
What did we end up with? $5 total?
$5.
So we lost $5.
Oh, we lost $10. I spent 15, won back 5.
That's not a winning calculation there.
No, but I got me a damn meat stick.
We're always on E, but you know we always stop for gas at Covered Express. Shout out Covered Express and Bumgarner Oil for all the support they give us here at Huffman Racing. Now we gotta fill this thing up. All right, we have arrived at CCI Machine and Fab. Let's go in here and check out old Fido, see what she looks like. He looks like, whatever. We also picked up another...
He's inquiring about a new chassis.
Yeah, he's a helper. Hello, anybody in here? Hurry, Seth, take everything. What's up, Sonny? Man, look at that Christmas bow. I love it. Huh. Locked and loaded. Back on the road we go. About an hour and 45-minute trip. That shouldn't take that long. The van goes about 55 and that's it on I-40. So heading back to Claremont. Did I leave the keys in here? Yeah. Again, thank you to CCI Machine and Fab for all the help with Fido. I'm looking forward to getting it on the ground and getting the body hung on it and all that good stuff and seeing what the old machine will do. It's definitely gonna outrun Graham probably still, even when he builds a brand new car.
You gonna take that? No.
He knows it's true.
We'll see.
Home with no issues.
Home with no issues.
Ain't that some damn
No
records?
blown tires, no fence posts hit, no traffic, nothing.
How about that? All right, let's unload this thing. Gutman! Nice to see you today. You want to check out our new race car?
Yeah.
Our new old race car?
I'm ready to see what it's going to do.
Look. You hung? Oh, fuck. Whoa. People don't know how to put shit back where they found it.
Up and racing. So to refresh you guys' memory, if y'all remember this car, if you're new to the channel, I'll link a video in the description and in the comments. I'll pin it for the first installment of Fixin' Fido, where we took this old Townsend chassis that was basically a scrap car, more or less, and took it to our friends over at CCI Machine and Fab, and it's getting their makeover. So I'll go over everything that's new, obviously, on it, but we've got all new front clip, new front suspension, thanks to CCI. This nice fancy center link here, new spindles, uppers and lowers, all that good stuff. They've added new kicker bars on it here and reused the down bars here and stuff, but we've got new hoop bars. We are going to have to probably use these right here for our bump rods, which were the old shock mounts, but that'll work well for the bump rods. They redone our driver plating here in the cage because it was in bad shape, kind of like the interior is, which we're hopefully going to redo. But you can see where they redone all that, and then a brand new rear clip as well. We've got new kicker bars here. They reused this bar on this side, but on the other side it's a brand new bar. And then new rear clip, I'm gonna take this bumper bar and cut it right here because we don't run this out here anymore. I told them that they'd already made it. So I'm gonna chop this off here because if you get hit in that, it's literally gonna turn you around. So you don't want that on either side of your rear bumper. Really all you need is this back bar anyways. But really essentially the only thing that is left on the car from its original form is the center section and the down bars on the front and the rear. They gave us this nice assortment of slugs as well, upper and lowers. So get our geo right, play with that. Obviously these are only going to fit their clips, but really nice machine slugs and everything. We've got Deuce on scales now, and I don't think I've talked to you guys about this yet, but I did make a post about it the other night. The 23 car at Hickory, if you've seen all of that mess going down, basically they were illegal with a offset spindle post race at the Bobby Isaac Saturday, and their part went into review, and then all of a sudden now it's correct and they're confirmed the winner. So because of that, a lot of people aren't going to Hickory for the final. We are not going to Hickory for the final championship night race or the fall brawl as well, and we'll be taking Deuce to Florence Motor Speedway on the 16th, and then on the 30th we'll be going to Tri-County. So September 16th Florence Motor Speedway, and September 30th Tri-County Motor Speedway. Those are our next two in my Huffman racing equipment. But this Saturday I will be at New River All-American Speedway down in Jacksonville, North Carolina with the car store. Oh, Rich.
Hello, how are you?
Good. I'm leaving and you're coming.
That's right.
Well,
Somebody's got to do the work around here.
that's right.
All right.
That was a pretty productive day. Looks like it's about to rain out here. Got some clouds. I'm going to meet Seth over here at Pockets and Brews, and that's going to be how we end this video. So we're going to end it. God, stuff's getting on my eyeballs. Wind's blowing. We'll meet Seth over here at Pockets, have us a beer, watch us some football. Gum. What is going on? But I'm going over here, and I will end this video at Pockets. Show you guys inside of Pockets and Brews, where we love to drink beers at. And thank you guys so much for watching the video. Tuning in. I'll be keeping you guys updated on the progress with Fido. And yeah, 1 week at a time, one video at a time. So thank you guys so much. I'll catch you in the next one. There's our Bobby Isaac trophy from last week. This is a Sweetwater Blue. I told them I would take them to Pockets and Brews for a small ending to the vlog.
We are at Pockets. A more tame Pockets.
Yes. This is how we're closing the video, but we've got nice ice cold beer and beautiful wings.